Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Rais from first year EC department, University Institute of Technology. My startup company name is Mangalore Gramin Products, and the product present name is Carpet, and product proposed name is Air Glide. So emphasizing stage. Here we are mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product set by the customers during the empathize activity. The first one is it should fly according to owner's wish. Second one is it should be AI based and only activates on owner's voice and adjust to the temperature. Third one is it should have GPS system such as if a user specifies a place, it should draw him to that place. Define stage based on the empathizing stage and consider the feelings and requirements of customers. Many few features are added to the existing project. So existing product name is Flying Carpet and futuristic product name is Airglide. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one is lightweight and durable materials such as carbon fiber composites or graphene should be added. Second one is artificial intelligence for autonomous navigation, obstacle avoidance and stability control. Third one is integrating gesture control, so voice commands and neutral interfaces. Fourth one is enhanced sensor for temperature control and other needs, and GPS for efficient performance. Prototype stage. In this stage, in the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. You can see that. Testing stage. So I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy this testing stage. Thank you.